A multi-step chain or agent becomes a black box when something goes wrong. In this video, we'll set up LangSmith from scratch and see inside every step. When the final output is wrong, print statements rarely tell you whether retrieval, the prompt, the model, or parsing caused the problem. LangSmith is the companion observability platform for LangChain. It automatically records every step your chain or agent performs in a web dashboard. Before writing any tracing code, you'll need 4 things: a LangSmith account, an API key, and both required Python packages installed. Open the LangSmith dashboard at smith.langchain.com and create a free account. The free tier is more than enough for this tutorial. Inside Settings, create a new API key and copy it immediately. For security reasons, LangSmith won't display the complete key again. If you're starting fresh, install both packages together. If LangChain is already installed from earlier videos, simply add the LangSmith package. Enable tracing with the modern LangSmith score tracing flag, paste your API key, and name your project. Older scripts use tracing v2, but this is the current standard. The tracing variable activates observability. Your API key authenticates the secure connection, and the project names related traces cleanly in your dashboard. That's the complete setup. From here onward, we'll run the same LangChain code you've already been using throughout this series, but this is the current standard. This is the same invoke pattern you've been using throughout the series. With tracing enabled, every step is automatically recorded behind the scenes. Run your chain once. Refresh the LangSmith dashboard, and your first trace appears automatically without adding any debugging or logging code. Open your project inside LangSmith, and every chain execution appears in a chronological list, with the newest run shown at the top. Opening a trace reveals every step. Notice the realistic latency. Prompts and parsers take single-digit milliseconds, while the LLM generation accounts for most of the runtime. Clicking any step lets you inspect the exact prompt, raw model response, token usage, and latency, instead of only the final answer. Instead of guessing, visual indicators immediately highlight that retrieval succeeded, but the LLM output failed to parse, exposing an invalid JSON exception right on screen. Compare 2 executions side by side. See exactly how prompt changes affected latency, token usage, and the generated output. Nothing extra is required for agents from Part 6 or LangGraph workflows from Part 14. The same tracing setup captures everything automatically. Most tracing issues come from forgetting to enable tracing, using an invalid API key, or setting environment variables after the chain's already started. Tracing replaces guesswork with evidence. You can inspect every step, debug failures precisely, compare improvements, and understand exactly what happened. This is the same chain from the beginning of the video, but now every step is visible, timed, and completely inspectable. Next, we'll optimize performance with caching.